What if the moon suddenly exploded? Not in a million years, tonight. You're walking home. The sky lights up like a second sun. Then, boom. A silent flash. Then the shockwave. At first, it's just beautiful. A glowing cloud of lunar debris swirling above Earth. But then, the tides go wild. Massive floods. Coastal cities vanish. Animals lose their minds. Coral reefs bleach overnight. Sea turtles extinct in months. The nights get darker than ever. Cold. Unstable. And then, Earth starts to wobble. You see, the moon doesn't just light the night. It stabilizes Earth's tilt. Without it, our seasons go haywire. Summers hit 60 degrees Celsius. Winters plunge into new ice ages. Entire ecosystems collapse. Farming done. Civilizations on life support. And here's the kicker: NASA once ran simulations. If just 10% of the moon hit us back, it would cause an extinction-level event. Picture skyscraper-sized moon chunks raining from space. Meteor showers turning cities into craters. Ash blocking out the sun. A silent snowfall of death. And all of it, because our silent companion was taken for granted. So tonight, when you look up, thank the moon. Because without it, we wouldn't just lose the tides. We'd lose the world as we know it.